Ultimate Gold 24. And with my friend Kid, we have a Skype problem, so we can't um talk to each other. Yeah, this was up. So yeah, Skype problem. If I if I resume playing Minecraft, it disconnects. That's our problem. So yeah, okay. He, the this server is for MCPE Alpha Build 4. The IP is the IP is in the description below. So yeah, this is Cadet 788, my friend. Say this way. So yeah, so laggy. So yeah, he he knows this map. I mean server, I think. So yeah, he, and so you can see the view here. And not so much. Yeah, and I have a skin that I made. See, I made this skin. So yeah, he was gonna jump his head. So yeah, let's go down with Kid. Okay, we're entering this beautiful building. Okay. Oh, it's a shop. Torch. You have no item to sell. Shop. Oh, oak log. Oh. Oh, okay. So yeah. Okay, we'll play survival. I think so. Yeah. The server will automatically give you some armor. So yeah, this server is cool, but no players yet. So yeah, I, I'm recording this because this server is don't have players yet. Yeah. Oh, he's giving me wood. So yeah. Okay. So let's go. Oh, this is the exit. So yeah. The IP and the port is in below the description. So I think he left.